As coronavirus cases keep climbing, there are a dozen counties across the state under Governor Mike DeWine's mask order. Thank you for joining us tonight at 11. I'm Audrey Hassan. 3 of those orders are here in Central Ohio. It's the first weekend the mandate is in place. NBC4's Eric Halpern is in the Short North tonight. And Eric, it's usually pretty busy down there on a Saturday night. Have people been out and about wearing their masks?
Audrey, most people we have seen have been wearing their masks. Under the mandate, you have to have one on inside a public space or inside businesses. And a lot of businesses here on High Street are reminding people of that, like this one, with several signs telling people, no mask, no service. The Short North is a popular place to be on a nice weekend afternoon, and Saturday, masks were a popular thing to wear.
We just want to do our part and be responsible and help keep other people safe.
Claire Comarack and Avery Sumter wore theirs to go pick up dinner. While it's not required to wear them outside when 6 feet of social distancing is possible, many still had them on.
I mean, for the most part, I've seen a bunch of people wearing their mask. It's nice to see everyone doing their part to help keep the community safe.
If people didn't have them on, some had them under their chin when outside, and some had the mask in their hand. It's the first weekend of Governor Mike DeWine's mask mandate in Franklin County. People are required to mask up inside businesses, and many stores are making that clear.
Without sounding cliche, it's becoming more of a normal thing. People are doing it.
Artisan Deluxe manager Kevin Van Order says he hasn't had any problems with people not wearing masks in the store. In case they don't have one, they're provided. If needed, Columbus Running Company is providing masks too. The manager there says before the mandate there were just a few issues with people not wearing them, but since the mandate, it's been better.
I think people are starting to realize this is the new normal, and this is what is expected whenever you're out in public.
And some of the business we've talked to said as each Saturday passes, more and more people are coming out to the Short North, and they want to keep seeing those people wear their masks. Live and local for you in the Short North, I'm Eric Halpern, NBC4.